Again. And the fade around -175. Paulo Costa is in gray. Israel Adesanya is in the black and gold. Here, Adesanya's teammates and coaches talk about how much better he's
And why I'm